Hi, I'm Dr. Del Goodrick. Welcome to A Unique Dental Experience. Today I'd like to talk a little bit about the recent media attention on the safety of dental x-rays. A report was published recently that talked about the relationship of dental x-rays potentially to an increase in a benign brain tumor called a melangioma. And it was based on patients' recollection of whether or not they'd had regular dental x-rays. The average age of these in the study was 57, and they talked about 3 different types of dental x-rays. They talked about what were called bite wing x-rays, and that's where they get both the top teeth and the bottom teeth in the same view. They talked about a full set of x-rays, is what you see there. And then they also talked about a Panellipse x-ray, and that is an x-ray that an oral surgeon and orthodontist might use. It goes around your face like this, and so it shows a good view from here to here. And so we can see sinus and roots, orientation, and nerve pathways. And so in the study, they came up with a conclusion, a conclusion based on these recollections, that there was an increased risk for the melangioma with the Panellipse x-ray, which goes around your face, and with the bite wing x-rays, which typically there are just 4, and but a decrease in the association with the melangioma with the full set of x-rays. And so anyway, it didn't really make good sense to me, didn't seem logical, but I think that the takeaway from this is that the study was based on old x-ray technology. And back then, you were using a slow speed film, and that slow speed film was associated with a longer exposure time. And so as the technology progressed, they developed faster and faster film. The exposure time could be lessened even by 90%. For these digital x-rays, and we'll show you a little sensor for that. And so the advantages of that is that we have safety for both your physical well-being as well as your mental well-being. I think safety barrier protection is also an issue, and so even though we use digital dental x-rays, that we also have not only the lead apron for your chest and abdomen, but we also incorporate a thyroid collar, and that gives the most protection that we can when we take these, and we take them according to standard practice protocols. If something is necessary, we'll take it, and we don't do it just to take it. And so I think that knowledge in what the study was showing, what it is alluding to, and what the situation is today with the advent of the digital x-rays and the less exposure and the benefits of covering. I think that your next visit to our office will be a safe one. Thank you. If you want to find out more about your dental options, we have a lot of information on our website at www.santaclaritadentalcare.com. Please visit that. You'll see a wealth of information, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you.